I mean, I actually feel like the launch has exceeded my expectations so far. You know, I wasn't really sure what was going to happen. You know, you guys have been interacting directly. I've had no input, so as the CEO, you're always a little bit nervous about this because, you know, you shoot in, hopefully everything happens like it's planned, and it has. You know, I think we've had a great range of interviews. I've been really happy with, you know, the quality of the interviews. You guys have supported us great. So far, so good. I think, you know, now the hard work begins. We've got a lot more coverage to get, stories to tell, but so far I think it's gone really well.
It's great to be here and count on the help of NR7.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Dessa uma solução de atendimento na nuvem, que hoje atendimento ao cliente, o SaaS na nuvem, que consegue atacar todas as necessidades de uma empresa em relação ao seu atendimento, ao seu saque. Todos os canais, desde canais como e-mail, portal, Facebook, Twitter, Voice, todo tipo de integração a gente consegue fazer e até com mais 100 aplicativos e widgets de outras empresas. O Brasil é o mercado que mais cresce, que mais rápido cresceu dentro da Zendesk, por isso todas as atenções agora estão voltadas e por isso que a gente teve o nosso lançamento agora, oficialmente no Brasil. Por conta desse lançamento, a gente tem a NR7 como nossa parceira na parte de imprensa. Os trabalhos começaram já há quase 2 meses, mas é importante que a gente agora comece a ver os primeiros resultados por conta do lançamento oficial. Então todo o trabalho que foi feito de base agora está sendo revertido nas primeiras manchetes, nas primeiras notícias. A gente sabe que essa é uma parceria de longo prazo que vai nos ajudar, inclusive, a tornar nossa presença aqui ainda mais relevante.
I think it's been a lot of fun, first and foremost, to be here. And it's been really great for me to meet a lot of our customers and to meet a lot of the press, and we've had some really good interviews, I think.
Latin America, we partnered up with NR7, and they helped us out with reaching out to the local media, press, or the local as far as the Brazilian media, you could say. So they set us up with meetings. We had like 7 meetings. It was very tiresome, but we got a lot of good press out of it. So we're very happy with the partnership with NR7. And it's clear, you know, they know what they're doing, and they know the Brazilian market. So I can really recommend them if you're coming to Brazil. Talk to them to help you out with reaching out to press.
You don't need to worry.